Hello everyone. Today is August 15th, 2024. It's Thursday and welcome to NVDA Radar Talks. NVIDIA's stock price rose 1.7% on Wednesday. The trading volume on that day was about 340 million shares, and the turnover rate was 1.44%, both of which were slightly higher than the previous trading day, which means that the trading activity on that day increased compared with the previous trading day, because the current price of the stock has risen by more than 30% from the lowest price in August, so it is normal for the bottom profit-taking and the previous locked-in to choose to exit the market at this position. So the question is, what will happen to the stock next? Technically, the stock price between $112 and $115 is a relatively concentrated position area, and it is also a relatively concentrated trading volume area. However, after the close of August 14th, its stock price has broken through this area, which shows that from August 2nd to 9th, when the stock price formed a triangle bottom, a large amount of capital flowed into the market, and it was these capitals that drove the stock price to rebound and continue to rise. However, what is disturbing is that the trading volume on August 14th increased slightly, indicating that some capital still withdrew from the market. If the stock price continues to rise, it will face resistance at $120. If it falls, it will find support at $112. However, after rising for 3 consecutive trading days, the market may not continue to push the stock price up, but enter a correction or consolidation phase. Of course, I need to find technical evidence for this prediction. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that when the stock hit its recent lowest price on August 5th, the capital net inflow was $1.5 billion, which is consistent with its trading volume performance. It is worth mentioning that on August 7th, the stock price fell sharply by 5% and the capital net outflow was $1.2 billion. However, the stock price recovered in the next 2 trading days and the capital net outflow exceeded $2.2 billion, indicating that the short selling power was exhausted and the bulls regained the pricing power. From August 12th to 14th, the capital flow data was relatively small, which is consistent with the change in trading volume. But on the 14th, the stock had a net outflow of $540 million for the first time after 4 trading days of continuous capital net inflow. Although it is not much, combined with the trading volume, it may still be a signal that the stock price is about to enter a correction or consolidation. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the stock price has gained a foothold at the peak position of $105, and then the stock price has continued to rise and broke through the peak position of $112 to $115. If the stock price continues to rise, it will face a position peak of $120. However, we see that capital has begun to exit the market on August 14th, which means that the stock price may encounter another wave of selling before it reaches the $120 level, because there are too many profit-taking orders accumulated below the current price of the stock. The data shows that the current position profit rate of the stock is close to 70%. So it is not surprising that big capital chooses to sell chips at this position. Of course, the market did not react much after the release of major economic data this week. And the company's current fundamentals are good, and it is unlikely that the stock price will reverse immediately and fall sharply. My prediction is that the stock price may fluctuate between $112 and $120, at least in the last 2 trading days of this week. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. As mentioned earlier, my target price range is between $112 and $120. In addition, according to the 44 Wall Street analysts who rated NVIDIA stock in the past 12 months, the consensus rating of the stock is moderate buy. Among these 44 analysts, 4 gave NVIDIA a hold rating, 39 gave a buy rating, and 1 gave a strong buy rating. The average 12-month target price of 44 analysts for NVIDIA stock is $131.31, which is expected to rise by 11.2% from the current price of $118.08. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for NVIDIA stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.